What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Should be working right now. All right. So what I said is good morning. Welcome back to your daily update on Solana. I probably will cut out the first couple of seconds, but basically my sound didn't work. But we'll do a full update on Solana. It's needed because yesterday was a pretty volatile day. In general, Solana has been relatively bullish this week, together with the entire market, of course. I mean, if you look at the total 3 right now, that's looking pretty bullish. But what I said yesterday, and I was wrong about that, or at least I was partially wrong, because what I said is that we were kind of consolidating here in this range, so between 174, 175 at the top, and then 171 here at the bottom. Beautifully drawn. And what I said, due to what I expected from Bitcoin and the markets as a whole, what I said is that, all right, I think it's most likely we're actually going to get that bearish breakout. So I was right about that, but what we see now, and I think that's very interesting, and I think that's also one of the key reasons why I wanted to make an update today, because these Solana videos, to be honest, are not looked at that much compared to other cryptos. But I wanted to tell you this because what we did is we actually found support at these EMAs right here, between the 50 and the 100 EMA. Like ultimately we spiked all the way down to the 100 EMA. And that purely technically is actually very bullish, because the only reason technically to respect those EMAs is if there's some sort of an uptrend going on, or at least some sort of bullish momentum. And that would be great because, and we also got some more confirmation. So not only did we find support there, but we also managed to break back above 171. Now, look, there's a lot of different resistance levels between 175 and 171. So I'm not telling you that we are super bullish here. But I do think that there's a higher chance to actually turn bullish here and break above 174 and 175 than it was yesterday, even though we were closer to that level during the day yesterday. So if we look at the momentum for Solana, I still think that's relatively low. Like you can see that has been in some sort of a downtrend for the last 2 days. And the CVD right here is also not that positive. Like, sure, we got some big buy orders coming in like 4 hours ago, but apart from that, we also got some short orders, which is not what you want to see. So technically we're bullish. If you look at the momentum, we don't look so bullish, to be completely fair. But it does look, or at least we did get a bump earlier this morning in the spot CVD. And if that continues to be bullish, and that's also what we saw the last time around. So the 2nd of June, the spot CVD for Solana also turned bullish. And that was very good for the price, right? So then we rallied from 162 to 174. So I'm still very neutral on Solana. I just think we have a better chance today than we had yesterday. Ultimately, though, I still think it depends a lot on Bitcoin. If you look at the strength of Solana against Bitcoin, we're still consolidating. That's still moving sideways, which basically means that Solana and Bitcoin are moving together. So I still think that the only way Solana actually breaks out and breaks above if I can find it, it breaks above 174, 175 and does something like this. So a rally up to 180 and 183 again. The only way that's possible is if Bitcoin gains a lot of momentum today and breaks above 71,600. To be honest, that's the only scenario I still see for Solana to actually break out. If Solana had more momentum, then I would think it's possible for Solana to break out and rally on its own as well. Because it doesn't, and we don't, I don't see that happening. So most likely is that we follow Bitcoin. And due to Bitcoin still being at a massive resistance level, I will still tell you that I think it's better to expect a bearish continuation. All right, so into 164, into 160. That's still what I think is best to prepare for. But keep your eyes on Bitcoin. Keep your eyes on Solana's momentum. If that actually changes, then there's a chance that we can break out of 174, 175 and rally. All right, so that's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.